Hello everyone, this is Mocha and welcome back to my Java programming tutorial series. This is episode number 4 and today we'll be covering the topic basic data types and variables. So in the previous episode, let's do a quick recap. In the previous episode, we went through the basic structure of a basic Java class and briefly discussed what is a method and the void and public modifiers. So now we can talk about variables. So in our main method right here, let's create a variable. Let's create int, let's call it counter. So you end the every statement with a semicolon as we went through with the syntax. If you see the error right here, it's okay. You just say the variable counter is not used, so we'll use it later. That problem will be solved. So let's assign a value to counter. So let's give counter a value, counter 14. So this, oh, just forgot equal sign. So the integer counter has a value assigned to it, which is 14. And let us print out this. Print line inside you can say counter, give a spacing counter. So this part right here is a string. A string is a text basically which you gave. So you want the system to print out the word counter with a counter with a space, then plus the variable counter. So this counter, everything is highlighted here for you. This counter actually refers to this. So if you try running this program right here, it will print out counter 14 because it's referencing itself here. So what you didn't know is in system out of println, besides giving a string, you can give variable names too. And the variable names will reference themselves. So if you assign a value to that variable, it will print out that variable value right here, 14. So let's experiment with another data type. So let's say we want a double. A double can basically hold a decimal place. So let's say we do 5.3 or let's say 4.2, 4.7. It's a good number. Okay, so that's system out of println. Let's make this more interesting. So we can say, let me see, iDrank plus counter. You can use this plus sign to add in like variables and separate them from text. Oh, I spelled drank wrongly. So the plus sign allows you to do that. Okay, so iDrank counter amount of counter cups of mocha. Okay, so what we can do, you will see here, I drank 4.7 cups of mocha. So this is also a good example on how you can pass in variables into this type of parentheses right here, and you can make them print them out. So that's basically it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll cover some math operators and we can maybe get into making our very first calculator. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. That's about it, and thanks for watching.